Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. I have some huge news that I want to get into, but before I do that, I want to remind everyone to please subscribe, like, and comment on the channel. But I have two things for you today. I have the crypto bubbles, and then once again I have the news. A lot of promise. A lot of hope. I've got some hopium for you. But anyway, let's jump into the crypto bubbles. Let's look at the top gainer. Of course, it's PulseX. It's up 12%, right at 12%. The low was 0.00031, and then it was up at 0.00004, and right now it's at 0.00003. It looks kind of like a Pepe or a Shiba Inu. That's what it kind of looks like to me. Some kind of a meme type coin. I'm not invested in it, so don't know much about that one. Let's look at the big loser. I think it's Flare. Of course, it's pretty much at the low, 0.02 cents. The high was 0.022. So once again, it looks like a meme coin. Let's jump into the Three Sisters, and this is what I'm going to be talking about today regarding the huge news. Let's start off with Bitcoin. Of course, today's low was 95,698. High was 96,848, and we're at 96,388 for Bitcoin at the current time. Ethereum, I bought a little bit today. Just a little bit, a few dollars. To me, it's a lot. Bought like $20 worth of Ethereum today. The low was 2,569. The high was 2,662, and we are at the 2,633 mark. XRP, the low was $2.35. The high was $2.43, and we are one cent below the high at $2.42. So things are starting to slowly go back up. So let's go ahead and look at some news here. Well, I want to go to this. Of course, crypto market, of course, could balloon to 10 trillion by 2026. That's just 11 months away. According to Standard Chartered. Right here it says a Republican sweep would allow the government. Of course, this was back in November when this article was written, and we got that Republican sweep. Could send the market swelling to 10 trillion, almost said 12, at the end of 2026. Investment bank Standard Chartered said in a research report. So there we go. We have that, and then of course, once it hits 10 trillion, basically what's going to happen, all of this, if that hits 10 trillion, all of this can and probably will 3x. I think XRP, since it is growing faster now than Bitcoin, I really think that can probably 5x or maybe even go 6x. And of course, if it goes 6x, you're almost looking at $1 trillion here. Of course, that'll jump to a $10 trillion mark, or pretty close to it, if it 6x's, because once again Bitcoin could balloon to 500,000 by 2028, and of course that would be at the end of Trump's presidency, that it could actually hit 500,000. So once again, let's look at it. This is the chart I want, because this is the easier one chart to work instead of the crypto bubbles. Right now we're at, let's just say 100,000. Let's estimate 100,000. If that goes to 500,000 or even 300,000, 3x, we're at 300,000. So, or 500. So if we go down and look here at XRP, oops, I hit the wrong one, and we 6x that, we're at $13 a coin. So a lot of hope there, a lot of hopium. I really think it's gonna get there, and now that 13, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to be a slow, steady move up. We're not going to get rich overnight. It's going to be a slow, casual climb. And here it is. That's where the 23 or the 300,000 is coming from, is in 2026. So at the end of this year, at the beginning of the year, we could be at 300,000 with and that's pretty much 2x or 3x. So, you know, let's just go back to this. If that's the case, by 2026, that's the one I'm wanting. We're looking at $7 by the end of the year. So I can live with that. I think that would be some great gains for people, especially that bought in at 50 cents. So a lot of hope there, a lot of hopium being sold here, but no, I really believe realistically it's going to take place, but it's, like I said, it's going to be a slow, casual climb up. It's not going to happen overnight, because 180 days from now, they just put together the committee for crypto, and they have 180 days to put together those policies and regulations, and then to get that going. So I think after that 180 days, about July, I think we're going to see some significant increases. I think we could maybe go to $5 by summer, maybe back up to 380 easily. So I know that's a $1.20, a big $1.20 jump, what I just said, but realistically, I think we can be up to $3.80 by the summer. So anyway, I just want to leave the disclaimer that this isn't for financial advice. Do your own due diligence before investing. I am not responsible for any gains or losses. So I just want to throw that out there. And if you like the video, hit that like button. Become a subscriber to the channel. Leave a comment. And as always, treat others as you want to be treated. Until next time, I'll see ya.